In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Ibkr to Tradingview. By the end, you'll have your interactive broker's account linked inside Tradingview so you can see your balance, positions, and orders right from the chart and be ready to trade in the environment you prefer. First, log into your Tradingview account and open any chart you want to work with. Along the bottom of the screen, look for the Trading Panel tab. Click it to expand the panel. This is where Tradingview lists supported brokers and where your order window and connection status will appear once you are linked. If you don't see it, gently drag up the bottom edge of the chart to reveal the panel. Next, click the drop-down menu within the trading panel and choose Connect to another broker. This tells Tradingview you want to add or switch a brokerage connection rather than use paper trading within Tradingview itself. You should now see a grid of available broker logos. Find and click the Interactive Brokers logo. This selects Ibkr as the brokerage you want to connect. Tradingview will show a brief description and a button to start the connection. Click Connect. You'll be prompted to enter your Ibkr credentials. Before you sign in, take a moment to choose your trading mode. You can pick live trading, indicated by a gray icon, or paper trading, indicated by a red icon. Live trading routes real orders to your Ibkr account, while paper trading connects to a simulated environment, so you can practice without risking capital. Choose the mode that matches your intent today, and then proceed with your login. If this is your first time linking the two platforms, you'll see authorization prompts. Go ahead and agree to enable the connection. This permission allows Tradingview to read your account information and send orders through Ibkr based on your actions in Tradingview. It's a standard step to keep your account secure and to ensure both services can communicate properly. Once the connection is successful, look back at the trading panel. You should now see your current positions, open orders, and account balance displayed there. This is your confirmation that everything is linked. You can also glance at the status indicator in the panel. It will show that you are connected and which mode you selected, live or paper. From here, your chart tools, order tickets, and broker panel are all synchronized, making it easier to analyze and act without switching screens. That's it. Thanks for watching.